Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining Crochet Trivia Thursday with the American Crochet Association. I'm Selena Baca, founder, host, lead educator with the ACA, and your trivia guide today. Crochet Trivia Thursday is super simple and anyone can participate. I'm going to ask a few trivia questions in the crochet realm to test your crochet skills. And if you answer a question correctly, you might become one of 3 crochet trivia winners this episode, and you will receive a custom frame that you can use on your social media profile picture featuring your crochet glory. Ooh, that was a mouthful. This episode of Crochet Trivia Thursday is sponsored in whole by the American Crochet Association, and so this week I'm going to be giving away an ACA tote bag to one lucky winner. Now, this was the exact same giveaway that we had last week, but it was so popular that I thought, well, let's do it again. That was a lot of fun. If you guys want to see all of the tote bags, we have 4 different ones that are up for grabs. You guys can just click on the link in the video description and you will be magically transported to our Crochet Trivia page where you can get those details. Again, when you click on that link in the video description after the show, stay here while it's either live or on the replay. You guys can look at all of the past Crochet Trivia episodes. We have them all neatly arranged on YouTube for you to view and play along if you've missed any. You guys can look at those past episodes. You can see all of our past winners. They are all neatly filed on the bottom, and I email every single one of you. You can take a peek at the prize, and you can get the full entry details for your chance to win. Now, you will need to answer the final trivia question to enter the giveaway this week. And again, you guys can see what the giveaway is, get all those details when you click on the link after this live. This giveaway is going to be open until next Wednesday. So everyone watching, whether you're here live or on the replay, you're going to have an equal opportunity to win. If you guys are joining live, I see quite a few of you are here. Come on over to say hello. Let us know where you're watching from because I'm going to be giving a few shout outs throughout the show to just make this a fun event because that's what this is supposed to be. All Crochet Trivia Thursday questions are going to be found directly in the 12-course learning path, which is the foundation of the American Crochet Association Crochet membership, and it is designed to help you build your crochet knowledge and skills. To learn more and start a crochet membership today, just visit AmericanCrochetAssociation.org. Now, before we get started, I'm going to be heading on down to the comments to see who's watching live, who wants a shout out, and who is ready to play some Crochet Trivia Thursday. So let me start from the top and work my way down. It looks like my friend Brenda Allison is here. Hello, my friend. Good evening to you. So good to see you. I'm glad you're joining us. Angie B is here. Hello, Angie B. Always a pleasure to see you. My friend Francis from New Jersey. Fran, as our, we're friends now. I can call you Fran. Fran from New Jersey is here. So good to see you. It looks like Kim is here from Indiana. Kim, thank you so much for joining us. Vanjie is here. Hello, Vanjie. So good to see you. Christina Merez is here from Michigan. I'm so glad you're checking in. Francis says, I'm on an iPhone, but need to get to the iPad. I can hardly do anything. Lady, I hear you. I know. My phone is so small that my thumbs are big and I type things wrong and I can't click on the things. So I know. I always give you guys an opportunity. There's always just a few minutes of chat before we get started. So if you guys want to move to another device, feel free to do that, okay? Kim Lynch, she is here and ready for some crochet trivia. I'm so glad. I'm really excited about the theme today, which I'll tell you guys in just a minute. Hello, Virginia. So good to see you. Okay, Fran. Okay, Fran, since we're tight like that now. Fran. Fran, I've known you for so long. Maybe one day we'll meet up. That would be fantastic. Tina is here. Hello, Tina. So good to see you. Guys, I say that about Fran, but really, I can't wait for the day that we all can just meet up and crochet together. That would be fantastic. Those are crochet goals. Hashtag crochet goals. All right, final shout out that I'm going to give before we get started is to Annette. Annette, thank you so much for joining us. And thank you for saying hello before we got started for a little shout out. All right, now that I've said hello to everyone who's left a comment, everybody who's joining in, are you guys ready to test your crochet trivia skills this week? Are you guys ready? If you are ready to get started, I'm going to need to hear a lot of noise. And when I say hear some noise, I need you guys to drop a comment, hit that heart button, make some noise so that I know that you guys are here and you're ready to play. It's also a nice little warm up to be like, do my thumbs work? Yep. Does everything work? Yep, it works. Okay, good job. All right. Okay, guys, so we're going to do crochet trivia just a little bit differently this week, okay? Usually what I do is I have a few questions up and, give you guys a few minutes to answer. Today, the theme for crochet trivia is from our Learn How to Crochet series. A lot of that information overlaps into our 12-course learning path at the American Crochet Association. But today, the questions are going to feature crochet charts or diagrams, right? Now, this is part of a course that's currently on sale through Sunday with the American Crochet Association. I do have the link in the video description. So if you guys want more information on how to read crochet charts and you want an intensive workshop so that you guys can read crochet patterns and charts, it's only $19 through Sunday. If you guys want to check it out and get all of the details and see everything that's in it, again, click on the link in the video description for those full details. So after I ask each question, if you guys know the answer, just comment to guess, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to randomly pick one of you guys who guessed. Sometimes it gets a little crazy. When I see a correct guess, I'm going to randomly pick one of them, and they will be one of 3 of our live winners who will get a shiny new Crochet Trivia winner profile frame, and I will reply to their comment after the live so that they can have some instructions to claim this prize. Whew, that's a mouthful. Okay, I see tons of hearts. I see tons of comments. Let's get started. Crochet Trivia Thursday questions. They're all going to be based on this fantastic chart, which again is part of our Learn How to Crochet series. So this pattern, this chart is part of those teaching materials. So are you guys ready to get started? Question number 1, okay? Based on this chart, so take a look at this chart and then take a look at the key. This is all just kind of a visual thing. So even if you don't know how to read charts, hopefully this will give you a little insight, okay? Based on this chart, what do the black dots represent? So if you see the black dots here, either in the stitch key or in the chart, what do they represent here? I can't wait for the first winner. I can't wait to see. All right, I'm going to give you guys just a few moments to type your answers in. There's only a few that it could be, especially if we're looking at this stitch key here, because it looks like there are 4 different characters in the stitch key, and each one of those characters represent a particular kind of stitch. So the tiny little black dot, that's what I'm looking for. Okay. All right. The answers are coming in. I see Virginia's got an answer. Kim's got an answer. Francis has an answer. Vanjie has an answer. Tina Jackson Norris has an answer. Christina Merez. All right. I'm going to wait for one more. All right. Here we go. Okay. And I'm choosing the winner to be Kim Lynch. The correct answer is slip stitch. So as we can see by the stitch key right over here, this tiny little black dot, can you guys see my mouse? There we go. This tiny little black dot here represents a slip stitch. That way, every time we're looking at this diagram, every time we see a black dot, it means you have to slip stitch. So good job, Kim. Kim, I'm going to reply to your comment with instructions to claim your Crochet Trivia profile frame. And in the meantime, I'm going to put you right there so I don't forget you. All right, fantastic. Good job, everybody. I get tongue-tied sometimes. And thanks again to everybody who answered that question. Thank you, Virginia. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Francis. Thank you, Vanjie. Thank you, Tina. Thank you, Christina. Woo. All right. Virginia does say, I can't see the chart very well from my phone. I think this is the biggest I can make it. So I'll give you guys some extra time. I don't want this to be stressful. So just take your time and do your best, okay? Again, the grand prize is after all of this. So live or on the replay, you guys can pause, maybe on the replay, all of that kind of stuff, okay? So hopefully it's still just as fun, okay? All right, guys, question number 2. Here it is. Let us get started. After the adjustable loop is formed in this chart, how many chains begin round 1? That was a long question. After the adjustable loop is formed, how many chains are needed to begin round 1? So if we come over here to the stitch key, we can see that this circle right here is the adjustable loop. So what I'm going to do is find the adjustable loop here in the diagram, and I see it's right here in a center. So that tells me it's a center out circle worked and joined rounds. And if I come back over to the stitch key, I see that here is a tiny circle that is connected, and that is a chain. And if I look for chains right after the adjustable loop, that indicates that it's round 1. And how many chains do I see there? All right, I see some answers here. All right, I see a few. Okay. Oh, I've got all the answers here. Okay. And I am going to pick Kathy Spence Zelensky. You are the winner here. The correct answer is 3. Here's the adjustable loop. Here we go. And then to start round 1, there's 1, 2, 3 chains. So that is going to be the very first thing that you do to start that. So good job. Thank you so much, Kathy. C-I-E-L-I-N-S-K-I. Woo! No comma. All right, Kathy, I will reply to your comment with instructions to claim your profile frame after this live, so stay tuned. Congratulations, Kathy. Thank you so much for answering that correctly. Some other answers that I saw came from Francis, Kim Lynch, Tina Jackson Norris, Christina, Vanjie, Wana. Oh, and you guys are so kind. Kim says congratulations. Kathy's excited. Okay. All right, so we've got 2 more questions here. You guys ready? If you're ready, throw up a couple more hearts. We still have a little ways to go. So if you'd like to tag a crochet friend in the comments, there's still time. So you guys can do that so they can come on over. Or if you guys would like to share this video in just one place where you enjoy crochet, if you think they'll enjoy it too, you guys are welcome to do that. All right, it's a little bit bigger. Maybe that'll make a difference. Maybe. All right, guys. Ooh, I see lots of hearts. Thanks, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, here we go. Question number 3. Okay, question number 3. How many rounds are there in this particular diagram? How many total rounds? So I'm looking for a number. And if you're not familiar with reading crochet charts, again, I just said that the adjustable loop is how we begin this. And we know the chains began round 1. So if we kind of follow that around to the slip stitch, we know that that ends round 1. And we can kind of keep going from there visually. Oh, you guys are tagging your crochet friends. I love it. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, one more time. I'm looking for this answer. How many rounds are there in this chart total? All right, I see the answers coming in. Oops, I moved. I'm sorry, guys. All right, I see the answers coming in, and I am going to go with Tina Jackson Norris. Let me get you down there so I don't forget you. Man, it's hard to type and host at the same time. There are 4 rounds in this chart, and we can count them by literally following the stitches in each round. That's 1, 2, here's 3, and then that's 4. So good job, Tina. Good job. Thank you so much for commenting. All right, some other correct answers that I saw came from Kathy, Kim Lynch, Virginia, Vanjie, Christina Morez, Francis, Joanne, Barbara, Wana. Whoo. Kim Lynch says, just recently discovered crochet trivia. Love this, Selena. I'm so glad that you do. And congratulations for being one of our winners this week. Tina's excited. Awesome, awesome. I'm excited. You're excited. All right, so hopefully, again, maybe you guys are super familiar with charts and you're like, I got this. This is so easy. You know, it's fun to test your skills like this. Maybe you guys have never read charts before and it's something that you'd like to do. Maybe this crochet trivia event is just a fun little kind of a lesson almost in working out these skills. And again, if you guys would like to take our complete course that includes how to read crochet diagrams and charts, I've got a special offer till Sunday. Link is in the video description. All right, guys, last question. I've got one more question. You do not have to answer it here, but you can if you want to. What I need you guys to do with this last answer is this is going to be something that you need to enter our crochet trivia giveaway of the week, okay? So again, you're just going to click on the link in the video description. It's going to take you to this page, and this is where our entry is, and you will need the answer to the last trivia question to participate, okay? All right, guys, final question here. This is that bonus, all right? This is for that you'll need it for the entry, all right? I know I keep reiterating myself, but I don't want to miss a thing. How many single crochet stitches are in the last round? So we know that there are 4 rounds, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if we look at the last round and we look at those individual characters from the stitch key, how many single crochet stitches do you count? If you guys are watching this on the replay, you can just pause at this moment and you can count those individual ones, and that should give you plenty of time. All right, everyone, that's it for Crochet Trivia this week. Thank you guys so much for joining us with the American Crochet Association. I hope you guys learned a few things, and I hope that you had a great time with us. Remember, all of our trivia questions are from the 12-course learning path, part of the Crochet membership, and it is also part of our Learn How to Crochet workshop, which again is on sale through Sunday, and you guys can find it when you click on the link in the video description. It is a one-time fee, and once you purchase it, you own it, and you can watch it on any and all devices on your own time. So whenever you're ready to do that, you can. If you guys enjoyed this episode of Crochet Trivia Thursday, be sure to let me know in the comments. I would really love that. Also, make sure that you like this post and subscribe wherever you're watching so that you can get notified when all future episodes go live. That's it today for Crochet Trivia Thursday. Again, I'm Selena Baca for the American Crochet Association, and I'll see you guys again next time for Crochet Trivia Thursday. Peace, love, crochet, everyone. Bye-bye.